Keep those on hold, 'cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl, I'm back.